see tortoise. I finally got a good spot to take pictures. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Frances. I make beauty, lifestyle, and a whole lot of other videos that you will definitely be interested in. So please do consider subscribing by hitting the right subscribe button below and also the notification bell just beside the subscribe button so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. So guys, in this video we are going to a park, and it's one of the most beautiful parks in Lagos, Nigeria. So if you would love to see this park and everything about it, kindly stay tuned. And without further ado, let's get right into this video. Please do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and leave your comments. Just leave your comments in the comment section, okay? So let's get into the video. When we arrived at the park, we paid 1,000 naira as ticket fee. I think we came on a day that is off-peak period because everywhere was kind of dry. There were not much people there. But then, along the line, we met a number of people. But that will be later in the vlog. So we're just actually feeding our eyes and trying to see what was happening there. So we saw this playground, and it's for kids, and this place is really good for picnic if you just want to come and relax and chill with your loved ones. Oh, I love to see you. How did they go? Yes, the passing fence. He's not looking like a horror movie. Oh my god. Jesus. What did you say? I want to go. That tortoise. Hey, Mr. Tortoise. Let's check. Tortoise cannot pursue you now. You know how, don't you know? Jesus, is that sheep? Oh, see tortoise. Mr. Tortoise. Is that you? I've not seen tortoise before, funny enough. See as he's looking. Oh, I want to touch your back. Okay, Chikon, let's go and touch your back. There's road now. You see, you just follow this back. Oh, there's no road. Hey, he's looking at me. Hey, tortoise. Come, let's greet now. Why did you stop? Let's talk. Wait, is that your shit? Okay, it's leaf. Okay, you eat leaf. You eat melina leaf. Wow. Oh my god, I've laughed and tired. This my sister is just useless. Supposed to be a partner. She's looking like we came to Evil Forest. Hey, monkey.
Hey.
Hey, beautiful. Oh, it's so cute. Sure, say this door no open. I hope this door is not open. See your cute mouth. Pink lips, natural ones. See your baby. Oh, hey, baby. End of this culture. See this big one. What of monkeys here? I don't understand my sister. She's just scared for nothing. Eh? God, there are lots of them. I beg you. I can't.
Ones look ironish. Those are the ones that look good.
I can't go to. So we met a number of people on the way, as I said earlier. So by my left are people that are preparing to act their movie, and this guy in front became our tour guide because we wanted to follow a particular road, and we realized that they were preparing for a music video. So 2 events were holding at the same time at that point. So the guy had to take us to other parts of the park, and he brought us to this beautiful pond. Oh my god, see the fish. Oh, they are hungry. Come on, put your leg, let them give you. Let them eat your leg now. Oh, see the fish. Oh wow. Guys, this is like evil forest. Wow. If not that I have someone that is guiding me here. Me and my sister. When I thought it was a lion. And guys, see my body. Sunflies. Sunflies have bites me. If you hear, I'll make beautiful pictures. African buffalo, Eron. What I don't drive, buffalo no day again. Hey, Jesus. Forest bathing. Clearer skin. Wow, can you remember for clearer skin? African cockwood. One thing I love about this place is its serenity. Like, this place is so serene. Unlike the usual bustle and hustle of Lagos and the noise, here is different. You feel like you're in a different place, and you're able to meditate, create, and do what you love without noise. Guys, finally got a good spot to take pictures. Guys, look at see brown skin popping. Guys, I'm happy that we finally got a good spot actually, because we have been looking for good spots since, and instead we have too much sun like this, or we have that place is actually nice, but my sister said no before we fall down. No, go. A good spot, guys. See the glow here. I like it. It's making my brown skin pop. Nobody knows. Nobody. Shark. Oh, they are still hungry. They've not given them beans. See. If I see biscuit, I'll give them. Or cashew nuts. Do they eat biscuit? Anything. They are hungry. And I said they are strolling. And I heard that they are big ones. So if you drop biscuit, the big one will come and eat it and even chop the small one. So guys, we are resting here. Guys, I'm tired. Like, I'm legit tired. Stop it. See, this thing is shaking. Get you so scared. Now you cannot stop. Get you scared that it is shaking and we might fall inside the water, and then we'll meet big fishes. Then that swimming that we practiced that last time, we'll do practically. Yeah. There's no refreshment. There's no cooling up. What are you doing in my channel?
Welcome to my channel.
There's no refreshment.
Hi guys, I'm Ricky K. Live on the La Frances channel. That is the first time, yeah. So
this one they speak English.
I really came to say a shift priest here. So
honestly, this was just like an evil forest. So people were acting films here, and we said we should not pass that side. So currently we are just here chilling, trying to gather momentum to continue the trek because we're tired. What's this one doing at my back? She's about to go run down. Rather, it's already 5%. But then I thought of showing you guys this thing. It's so beautiful. This is just trees they just cut, and then they made it to be a beautiful chair. Like, see, it's so beautiful and antique. Abby, yeah, antique, yeah, so fine.